the 2020 Kia Sorento. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, a blind spot monitoring system, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Call now to schedule a test drive.